In this video, I will show you a very important and useful report. You can find it on thelovereports.com. Here are different products created by Bud Brown, two phrase books, Romantic Soprano, Romantic Tagalog, and these reports, which are very useful. But one particular I have read myself, and you can buy it separately or get it in this package bundle. It's 5 cultural conflicts you will have with a Filipina and how to resolve them peacefully. Actually, um, there are some quite different cultural things that you have to be aware of, and it's not very easy to discover them and to know how to resolve them. So if you are in a relationship, if you like to try to resolve them peacefully, it's a must. You need this report. You really need it. And Bud Brown is writing from his experience. He's been married to Gloria for over 40 years, so he has the best of experience to deal with different things like jealousy, the silent treatment. Uh, it's so many valuable tips here. So you just have to buy this and read it. It's really, really a great report. So um, I recommend it. Go to thelovereports.com. You can buy it separately, or you can get all the products on this page at only $17. So that's a really, really good deal. And you will also have this bonus then, comic book by Bud Brown, which are 59 pages. Real nice. Okay, thanks for watching and bye for now.